Welcome back to my Moore Report analysis videos on Tuesday 1st of November with me, Rich Pro Market Analyst at Antic Markets, looking at Eurodollar now. And we've seen this sort of market holding up really. Yesterday it looked to be as though it was sort of beginning to regain a bit of traction to the downside, but it was a late rally into the close as the dollar has weakened again. And again today we're sort of breaking up. We're sort of 109.90 seemed to be sort of restrictive of the moves in the last couple of days, but it's trying to break through that level now. 110 figure really, but 110.50 I think is a big basis of resistance. That is the long-term pivot level, and basically capped the upside on the 20th. Now I think that generally speaking, between 109.50, 110.50, I think that is where you're going to see your next sell signal coming through. Yes, you're in this sort of recovery phase in the near term, but I think this is just unwinding this oversold RSI. I think momentum indicators needed to have a little bit of an unwind, and it seems to be that that's what we've seen. So I'd be expecting to see the resistance starting to come through. Obviously the near-term outlook is pretty positive really. You've got higher lows on the hourly chart. Finding support at high levels. MACD lines positively configured. RSI consistently finding support above 40, pushing up towards 70. That's a strong near-term configuration. However, my expectation is that this is just a near-term move, near-term unwinding of the selling pressure that's going to ultimately find resistance and roll over again. So, arguably, you'd be going with a near-term outlook to the upside. 110.50 is your big overhead resistance. It's potentially sort of going a little bit further than I maybe had been anticipating, but still you'd be running with near-term positions of long, but be very careful that you are trading against the trend, against the long-term outlook, which I think is increasingly dollar strength and pulling Eurodollar lower. So I'm expecting a resistance to come in due course. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.